In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Fit Pro to any iPhone or iPads. So the first step is to make sure that the case and the earbuds are charged inside. All right, so usually when you get them and open the case, you should get this message appearing on the screen. If you get it, fine, then you just click connect and you're done. If you don't get the message on the screen of your iPhone, all you have to do is, you see there's a button right here in the middle. Well, you need to keep it pressed for at least 3 seconds and you'll see there's a small LED on the bottom here. It should flash. This means that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Put these aside, take your iPhone and go into the settings. Once you're in settings, go in Bluetooth. Now once you're here, you'll have all the connected Bluetooth device, and at the end here you should have all the pairing devices. And the Beats Fit Pro should be listed right there. You just need to tap on them and it will take a few seconds. Here we go, Beats Fit Pro, and you need to tap on Connect to iPhone. Here we go, and now you'll go to the normal setup, which is if you want Siri, for example. Well, let's say I don't want, you click Not Now. And now it will show you the battery level of both the earbuds and the case itself. Just press done and you're good to go. You can listen to your music. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment, and well, I'll see you in the next one.